Alrighty, T30S all set up, ready to go. This is all a new build on a new chassis and an unflown V2 flight controller. I had to go through a trim flight and a bit of very careful setup. But anyway, it's all working nicely. Was getting a little bit of resonance on spool up. The plastic chassis actually flexes inside the scale shell. Ken's got a couple little mounts in the back of the firewall, a little bit hard to see them, but they're actually really critical. As soon as I connected those up, pretty well the resonance effect and shake pretty well is taken out of it, so they're there for a purpose, so good work Ken. The good old credit card wedged under the top servo stiffens up the chassis quite a bit as well. Old trick you used to do on the 300Xs, works good on these. Running the little 3-inch Huey's tail blade off the blade Huey. Works okay, buzzes away, but the motor doesn't get hot, and so certainly looks nice in terms of scale and sizing. I have run those in the past. Running the 1550, the new 1550 G&B battery, really nice battery. A little bit shorter than most and a little bit thicker, which actually suits this configuration just nicely. These sort of batteries, and I'm running the 2627 motor out of AliExpress. In the 250X CFX, I'm getting 6-7 minutes out of these batteries on that motor, so hopefully we'll get a nice fly time out of this unit. I will go to a slightly longer blade in due course. The standard blades are good because they've got quite a thick cord which generates a nice amount of lift. Alright, we'll whiz her up and give her a quick spin. Okay, that was in stability mode. Now I'm just going to put it up in 3G mode, 80% rates. Yeah, well. See how it does that? Oh, bad resonance shake. Haven't done that before. That was interesting. One skid on the mat, one on the hard. Anyway, PID tuning and bits and pieces, just to smooth things out. I go a little bit more P and D on the tail, so like 110 120p and 120D settings, for example. I haven't done any of the cyclic, it's all just set at 100 at this stage. Might just soften it out a little bit. Still mucking around with the expo settings in the radio as well, but around 20% expo on all the flight surfaces seems about right. And if the wind ever stops blowing here, I look forward to getting it out for a park fly over the coming week, which all indications are she should fly really nicely. Alright, Kiwi Craig, over and out.